आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
As soon as we read in the news that there was a cluster of unexplained pneumonia,
This year was a tough year for me too, but I had one reason and a hobby to share with the world. I had came across a lot of new art supplies in this last 6 months, which helped me to keep going on. Forget about the frustration, the upsetness, or being at home. The drawings which I kept on searching for hours and hours, for motivation which I kept searching for hours and hours, a drawing that will bring a smile on my face as well as to the subscribers, all the people who are watching me, so that I can help them to smile a little bit in this world full of negativeness. This was the time when I learned to draw many new things. I learned about pencil shading, and day after day I kept drawing and drawing. I enjoyed my full lockdown because of this, a hobby. And you can follow me on Instagram so that you can see all the drawings I have uploaded there. Do support me, just subscribe down. I created my studio. We can call it also a wall, which helped me get motivated and think creative every day. It was a wall which had my paintings on it, and also some lightings which helped me feel that space. This 2020 gave us a lot of bad news, frustration, depression, negativity all around, as well as we came across one bad news after the other, one after other in a loop. Whenever we used to turn on our news channels, only bad news, no ray of hope or positivity. But some enjoyed this lockdown, some made this lockdown productive for themselves. I tried to make it productive by enjoying a thing that I love the most, my hobby, my way to spend time well with a positive attitude, which was my drawing. I kept drawing for hours and hours. I kept drawing for months. Whole 6 months I just drew and enjoyed this lockdown. This didn't feel bad or negative. This drawing or this hobby kept me away from that negative surrounding as well as that frustration, and helped me to be at home and be safe. I enjoyed drawing every day. 2021, according to reports, does not look very great as compared to 2020. But still, 2021 has that ray of hope which it's giving us. In whole 2020, we learned a lot of things to resist the pain, to fight our fears, to be alone, as well as how to deal with our loneliness. This year gave us a lot of lessons if we think and see properly. So 2021 is a great year, not to come back but to bounce back. We can implement our lessons in our 2021. So for me, 2021 is looking a great year. I will keep making content, not only of art, as well as a lot of content. This drawing which I am painting is totally dedicated on this thought. It will be available on Redbubble, which is my shop. Link will be in the description box below. You can just paste this painting on your wall and see the difference. It will give you the vibe of that ray of hope of 2021, a ray of positivity, a ray of a new sunshine that will be there soon after this full dark night of 2020. Wish you all a very happy new year and a progressive and happy and safe year ahead.
It's the first time of today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do another style of an art. Let's begin.
Be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream.